Sick and tired of having derogatory items in your credit report and living with bad credit? Frustrated that your life is more expensive because of high interest rates and fees due to your poor credit? Not able to fund your own business because your credit stinks? Been turned down for a better job with more income just because you have low credit scores? Afraid of spending thousands of dollars on credit repair companies to fix your credit while not being sure about the outcome? Well, you've just found the right solution to your problems. You'll want to use our proven and easy do-it-yourself 3-step program because it will get you approved for business loans and higher limits on your credit cards, make you more eligible to purchase your desired home, lower your interest rates, cause you to be the more favorable candidate for higher paying jobs, and even reduce your car insurance fees. To complete this easy process, all you have to do is fill out your dispute letters, mail them off, and wait 30 days for your results.
You can do it yourself if you have the information, and I'm going to provide you the instructions on exactly what to do, and I'm going to provide you the exact letter that we used with the proof that you just saw, and I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out, it's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus. In as little as 20 to 30 days, you can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.